Hi, Drillbert here. Thank you for calling SUBSEA Solutions. How can I help?
Hi Drillbert, this is Camila. I have a new hire to the industry that I need to fast-track her onboard training, starting with a primer in subsea BOP equipment and control systems.
You've called the right place. Our training addresses knowledge-based content for beginners, subsea technicians, auxiliary on-site, and off-site enterprise personnel. Our Subsea 100 course covers 1. A brief history of the oil and gas industry. 2. The anatomy of onshore and offshore drilling rigs. And 3. Provides a solid overview of the subsea BOP, well control equipment, and critical associated components used during drilling operations.
Oh, that sounds perfect.
A great option is we offer the course online addressing the needs of self-directed learners. The content is up to date, current, audited for uncompromised quality just as our on-site face-to-face delivery. The learner is visually and mentally engaged in an authentic learning experience, all at a great value cost-effective price.
Quality, relevant, and remote online training is exactly what we are currently looking for. Our company's commitment to our employees' health, safety, and well-being are major considerations impacting how we continue to effectively address our training needs.
Your new hire can plan, set schedule, in pacing and conveniently, timely completing the course. A perfect fit for your new hire or anyone looking for a course content refresher. Let's get you new hire started and registered today.